TeachmentX Whiteboard is designed with years of teacher insight and real classroom experience. TeachmentX is the first in its segment to offer an auto-sync cloud-based whiteboard. Login can be done using multiple options: phone number, email, QR code, or even NFC cards. Users can instantly access and share the whiteboard as well by just scanning the QR code with a phone. All lessons are auto-recorded and saved for playback. This can be shared with students with just a simple click via email or WhatsApp. With auto-title generation, organizing classroom sessions becomes effortless and easily accessible. The writing experience is unmatched with a fast 5-millisecond response time, dual tip stylus, and palm eraser, which makes it the smoothest interactive whiteboard in the market, creating a lag-free experience for the user. Smart tools enable you to select objects, copy, rotate, mirror, and correct with ease. Did you know you can solve even complex maths equations in just one click with our optical character recognition (OCR)? It can recognize the handwriting and change into text or even search online. Draw 2D and 3D shapes with auto measurements, enabling accurate and intuitive diagrams. In the latest update, the auto measurement tool instantly shows angles and lengths for every shape you draw. Teachers can publish pre-planned lessons and lectures anytime and track digital attendance. With Smart Clipboard, teachers can save their best explanations, diagrams, or problems to reuse anytime. It's like building a personal library of top teaching moments. You can easily import PDFs or images and annotate, explain, and store them back into your whiteboard. Now, what if instead of a document, a video is required? Teachers can now upload videos from their device directly onto the whiteboard via the Teachment app. They can play, save, or remove the videos as needed with the latest update. Videos up to 100 MB are auto-uploaded to the study material section for easy student access. TeachmentX enables seamless collaboration with 20-point multi-touch support, perfect for interactive classrooms. The board also includes smart simulations, graphing tools, a scientific calculator, a dictionary, and the periodic table. Everything you need for interactive and effective teaching is all available in just one place. Now, with a powerful AI camera comes the ability to track teachers as they move, auto-frame the speaker, and give students a clear view, which is very useful for live classes. With TeachmentX 2, going live is as simple as starting your whiteboard session, schedule, teach, and interact in real time. And now, admins can view all scheduled, ongoing, and completed live classes from the dashboard and even join in for real-time classroom oversight. Now, let us move to the AI capabilities of TeachmentX. Ready to experience the future of teaching? Book your demo with a product specialist by dialing this number or ping us on WhatsApp.